So my dear, till now I am damn sure that you people have understood both the method of increase and decrease percent, means when we are increasing or decreasing a particular value by a certain percentage. But here in number 4 we have something different. What we have is, for example, they say what number, once again, what number when increased by 10%, increased by 10% becomes 88. Try to understand this. What number? Do you know the number? I do not know the number. Since I do not know the number, naturally this should be taken as a variable x. Let us take this as x. Now let us read the same question once again. X when increased by 10%. So x when increased by 10%, do you remember the formula method of increase and decrease? So directly you can find out the new value, the increased value will be equal to how much? Will be equal to, since you are increasing x by 10%, so it will be 110% of x, which will be equal to 88, becomes 88. Now once you are done with this, naturally you can find out the value of x without any delay. कैसे देखते हैं? 88 multiplied by this will go up 100, this 110 will go down, and then our simple method of cancellation will follow. 0 gets cancelled, 11 1 times, 11 8 times is equal to 80 as your final solution. Simple. That is why I had been constantly telling you people that please switch on to the formula method, because here we will be saving our time in solving or in finding the value of x. Okay, let us do another one. Okay, now I hope you have understood this. Since you have understood this, other will be nothing. It is the easy, other will be very easy one. Okay, when increased, what number when increased by 15%? Okay, what number when increased by 15% becomes 230. Do you know what number? So what number? This means I do not know the value of this number, so I will be taking this as x. Okay, I will be taking this as x, the variable. So x when increased by 15%. So according to the question, when you are increasing x by 15%, matlab 100 plus 15 will be 115%. So 115% of x will be equal to 230, and once you do this, naturally anyone can solve or can find the value of x. So let us find the value of x. So the value of x will be equal to 230 multiplied by 100 divided by 115, and your next is your cancellation method. You people can cancel it like anything. Let's do that part also. 5 2 times, 5 3 times. Okay, 5 2 times 0, 23 will get cancelled. 23 10 times will be equal to 200 as your final solution. Okay, now we right now we have done the increase the value by you can say we have done the increased part. Now we will be doing the decreased part. Okay, and what is that? What number when decreased by 15%? Okay, what number when decreased by 15% becomes 230. Here we are decreasing the value. Remember, we are decreasing the value. So since we are decreasing the value, then in that case, according to the question, percent is already 100. Since we are decreasing it by 15, this means we shall be finding 85% of 230. So 85%. So 85% of this number. What number? So x. So when we will find x, or 85% of this x, we will get 230. Now, can you find the value of x? I hope you will not say no. So the value of x will be equal to 230 multiplied by 100 divided by 85. Any problem? No issues at all. Okay, so let's do some cancellation work. Okay, here we have how much? Let's find the value. 5, how many times? 5, 1 times, 5, 7 times. Am I right? I hope so. 5, 2 times 10. So we have 230 into 20 by 17. We have 230. Let us see if I have made some mistake over here. Of course I have made some mistake over here. This means we have been given the value not 230, it is 170, my dear. It's 170. Okay, so here let us write 170. Okay, now the 17 10 times will give you 200. Very simple, as anything. Okay, let's come to another one. When it decreased, I will do one of them, just one of them. Okay, so that you can do the remaining. When increased by 100%, let's say what number when decreased by 50% becomes 50. Since you are decreasing a value by 50%, this means the new percentage will be 100 minus 50 is equal to 50%. So the children might get confused over here. So when we will be finding 50% of what number? Of x. So 50% according to the question, 50% of x will give you 50. Therefore, let me tell you one most important thing over here, that in this question, this part is very, very necessary to show that you have subtracted 50 from 100. Because if you would directly write 50% of x, you might be losing some marks. Therefore, the value of x over here will be equal to 50 multiplied by 100 divided by 50. You people can see that it gets cancelled, and what remains is 100. So 100 when decreased by 50% becomes 50. Finished. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept beautifully. Next we shall start with some word problems. Till then, have patience.